Let's Test is making water quality testing an easy experience in off-grid locations around the world. Our solution is cost-efficient and easy-to-use equipment. Detect the presence of harmful fecal bacteria in drinking water and control water systems in rural settings with the LETZTEST tubes. Additionally, the household water kit can be used for educational purposes. This portable and user-friendly solution, co-manufactured in Kampala, Uganda, empowers organizations and health officers to ensure safe water for healthier and prosperous communities. No reading required and easy to use with illustrated instructions. Incubation at room temperature. No incubator necessary. It delivers accurate results straight from your pocket. Affordable and efficient. Testing at a fraction of the cost. Recyclable components can be locally reprocessed into new test tubes. Find detailed information about the LETZTEST tubes and the household water test kit at letztest.com. Made in Germany and a trusted member of the German Water Partnership. LETZTEST. Enjoy off-grid water testing.